everybody, welcome to another edition of Yo on the Go. Today we'll be talking about disappointment. Specifically, let's say you've been pushing yourself really hard, growing, learning new things, being able to do the things that you do best, right? You feel like you're becoming more of who you are, and others misunderstand those actions. Think that you're going faster or trying to aspire for things that are what they want or what is considered non-essential. And I think that's a really hard thing to take. There are two things you need to do. One is that you need to take that criticism and take it not as criticism. You need to take it as feedback. Feedback is extremely important, and I've mentioned that time and time again. When the feedback's positive, that's easy. But what happens when that feedback is difficult? That is what separates a professional from an amateur. Now, that feedback may be motivated by negative things. It may be motivated by pure altruism. Either way, it's how you react to those things that are the most important part. So whether, for me, in some strange way, when I have a turbo Mustang, Mustang enthusiasts tell me, "Oh, you're just wrapping yourself in the looks of a Mustang, but you've got only a 2.3 cylinder engine in there. That's not a real machine. A GT, a Mustang needs to be a V8 muscle car." But in my mind, I have very specific requirements, and I'm saying, no, I like the idea of a Mustang. It ties me to a central American tradition, right? The most popular car in America, sports car in America, right? And it is this very special thing that ties me to a history that I look up to. I aspire to have that sort of legacy. And something that I am infusing in my son, I'm infusing in understanding the subculture and getting to know, all of the things that are part of that. I'm part of that now. Now that is something very special. That is something that I'm very thankful for. Now others may see it differently. Others may see, oh, you're just trying to play around. You're trying to look at, you're a poser. And let them think that. But as you see in this series, I'm learning so much about myself, about this car, and about the journey that we have before us. So just a note of encouragement, take those criticisms not as criticisms, but as feedback. Understand those feedback and accept that feedback. But also know that as you become more of who you are, you also can't be told who you are. You have to know that you have your path, and that is a very different path, maybe a very different path than anyone else. And you've got to accept that and, live in it, own it, love it. So I hope this was useful to you. Until next time, bye.